Yo, what is up, Dream Chasers? Getting to Solar Boy's house. We're doing a Hare Krishna food program for the people in the Barangay Obrero. So shout out everybody over there. Stay tuned. Just got to Solar Boy's house. Getting ready to prepare some food. Bring it down to Obrero, hand it out.
Free food. That's how we call it.
Big ups to Solar Boy, always giving back to the community. Let's go. Tarna. And he's good in the kitchen also. He can tattoo and cut up food. That's why Za grabbed him up. There are days when you wake up knowing you're about to be part of something meaningful, something bigger than yourself. This was one of those days. We found ourselves in Barangay Obrero, brought together by a simple but powerful idea: to serve, to share, and to connect. Alongside Solar Boy and his wife Za, some of our other friends, and members of Hare Krishna community, we set out to create a food program that would reach children and families who needed it most. But before anything could be given, everything had to be prepared with care, with intention, and with heart. The day began at Solar Boy's home. It wasn't a professional kitchen, but it didn't need to be. What mattered was the energy inside, people moving with purpose, laughter filling the air, hands busy with vegetables, noodles, and ingredients that would soon become 140 meals. Each task, no matter how small, played a role. Washing, chopping, stirring, everyone contributed. There's something special about preparing food together. It creates a rhythm, a sense of unity. You're not just cooking, you're building something that carries love into every portion. And that's what this was about. Not just feeding people, but nourishing them. There's my favoriteest little Philippine dog, Diablo. Diablo the solar dog. She's a good girl. Yes, she is. Are you a good girl? Huh? Are you the most famous dog in the Philippines, Miss Diablo? As the food came together, so did the anticipation. Containers were lined up, carefully filled, sealed, and packed. One by one, 140 meals took shape. It's easy to look at a number and move on, but 140 meals means 140 moments of relief, 140 smiles, 140 reminders that someone cares. Blasting off on the solar bike. Watch out, Obrero, here we come.
I will make your stomach full.
With everything ready, we made our way to Barangay Obrero. The streets were alive. Children playing, people going about their day, unaware that something special was about to happen. As soon as we arrived, word began to spread. Kids started gathering, curious at first, then excited. You could feel the shift in energy. What started as an ordinary day was turning into something memorable.
Kasi hindi ko tayo nakakabili ng baso.
We began handing out the meals. One by one, each person stepped forward, some shy, some smiling, some simply grateful. And in those small exchanges, eye contact, a quiet thank you, a shared smile, you realize how powerful even the simplest act can be. It wasn't just about the food. It was about giving back. We handed out stickers, which is a small thing, but to the kids, it was a big deal. Then came the unexpected part, autographs. Kids began approaching, holding their shirts, asking for signatures. It was spontaneous, a little chaotic, and completely heartwarming. In that moment, it wasn't about who we were or what we represented. It was about connection and giving back to the community. About making someone feel important, even if just for a few moments. After everything was distributed, we headed back to Solar Boy's home. The energy shifted again, this time from outward service to inward reflection.
Diablo, come here. You're a good girl. Yes, you're a good girl. You are the best dog in all of QC.
A small Hare Krishna gathering began. The atmosphere was peaceful, grounded, and filled with a different kind of connection. Chanting, music, and shared presence created a space where everyone could slow down and just be. There's something powerful about balancing action with reflection. After a day of giving, this moment allowed us to absorb everything that had happened, to feel it fully. It didn't matter where you came from or what you believed. In that space, there was a sense of unity, a shared understanding that service in its purest form is about love, and love doesn't need translation. Of course, the day wouldn't be complete without sharing a meals ourselves. After preparing and giving away so much, we finally sat down together. Plates were filled, conversations flowed, and laughter returned, this time softer and more relaxed. There's something deeply satisfying about eating after a day like this. Not just because you're hungry, but because you know exactly what went into that food. The effort, the teamwork, the intention. It becomes more than just a meal. It becomes a celebration. Looking back, this day wasn't defined by the number of meals we gave out or the number of people we reached. It was defined by moments. Moments of connection, moments of kindness, moments that reminded us what it means to care for one another. In a world that often moves too fast, where people can feel overlooked or forgotten, even the smallest acts can create ripples. And maybe that's the takeaway. You don't need something big to make a difference. You just need willingness. Willingness to show up, to give, and to share. Because when people come together with a common purpose, even as something simple as preparing food and handing it out, it becomes something much more. It becomes hope. And sometimes hope is everything. Just got done with the food program. Shout out Solar Boy and his wife for always being generous, humble, and giving back. And shout out everybody else that helped out. It was a great time. And Tan, I miss you, bro. I wish you were there. See you. Tarana. The best barbecue in Obrero. Pinakamasarap.
Dami kaayo.